Okay, so if you're looking for some beautiful jewelry like this, if you're looking for something what I have worn, this is a chanya choli. Pastel shades માં options available છે, ગામઠીમાં છે, કોટન્સમાં પણ છે, હેવીમાં જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે, ફેસ્ટિવ વેરના પણ ઘણા જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે, ગિફ્ટિંગ પર્પસીસ માટે જ્વેલરી જોઈતી હોય, if you're looking for some silverware તો એમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. We are at Bohemian Gallery અને Bohemian Gallery માં 2 days માટે 5th and 6th of August માટે ROV Events has come up with their August Affair exhibition. 13 brands આવી છે અહીંયા. First 5 slides માં we have included 2 brands each અને બાકીની 3 are single brands. You can come here, you can check out the collection online જોવું હોય તો swipe left.
Hi, my brand's name is ST Accessories. We have semi-precious stones and pearls collection. We do have Rakhi collection here. We have crystal Rakhis, kids Rakhis, stone Rakhis. You can come and shop your Rakhis from us. We have bag charms, we have bracelets, we have semi-precious stones, necklaces.
Bracelets માં options available છે. They have some earring options as well, like these over here. So this brand is
Vervi.
okay, and they have chanya cholis, vintage chanya choli.
Vintage chanya cholis, pastel colors chanya cholis. We have many colors in the pastels.
Pastels માં ઘણા બધા color options available છે.
We have Rakhi collection also.
Rakhi collection.
In Rakhi also we have pastel colors. Cords and dresses with dupatta.
So cords and dresses
There
છે
are
with
many
dupattas, 2 and 3 piece suits માં available છે. Okay.
Hello everyone. So this is label Kajal. We have different kinds of designer pieces for your Navratri. We have something pastels as well.
Okay, pastel
Something
shades માં
different
છે.
than others. And we have something handwork, anchor work as well.
And they have a lot of blouses as well.
We have variety of blouses which we can mismatch with different kind of chanyas. We have gaji blouses.
And they have some potli bags as well. હેલો
હાય મારી બ્રાન્ડનું નામ છે રેડિયન્ટ જ્વેલ અને અમારી પાસે ફેસ્ટિવ પ્લસ નવરાત્રી કલેક્શન છે જેમાં ચોકર્સ છે, લોંગ સેટ્સ છે, શોર્ટ સેટ્સ છે, કિડ્સ સેટ છે, પ્લસ એન્ટી ટાર્નિશ પણ છે અમારી પાસે, બેંગલ્સ છે, લોંગ ઇયરિંગ્સ છે, એવરીથિંગ વી હેવ ફોર યોર ફેસ્ટિવ એન્ડ નવરાત્રી.
Okay.
Hello.
So this brand is Avran by Urvi. Okay, and they have Bandhani no collection.
Bandhani sarees.
Okay, Bandhani sarees. They have some Bandhani dupattas as well. Something what she's wearing. Okay. આભામાં options છે અને શિબોરીમાં પણ options available છે. We'll look at a few options. So this is shibori. And Abha. Okay. So this brand is Saundarya by Hemal Sitar. They have chanya cholis. They've come all the way from Bombay. Okay, so they have some beautiful options like these over here. They have some ombre options as well. Okay. Again, cottons માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય, some ગામઠી prints જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે. Shaded dupattas માં options available છે. And they have some festive pieces as well.
Hi, this is House of Nija and we have a very beautiful vibrant Navratri collection for you with some beautiful handmade tassel detailing. This collection is specially for teenage girls.
Okay, so they have long blouses.
They have long blouses, so you don't have to carry dupattas along with that. We have some beautiful prints. Even if you want to twin with your friend, mother-daughter duos.
And they have a hand-painted piece as well. Okay. So this is Sadgi by Sanjana and they've launched their new collection today.
New anarkalis.
Okay.
Yes, these are anarkalis.
Anarkalis,
Hardwork dresses.
heartwork dresses,
Something in kaftans.
kaftans,
Then again pure jari lining dresses.
jari line ની સાથે dresses છે.
Then in plain solid colors.
Solid colors.
Customize in any colors.
Okay, customization.
This is Meghna from ROE Gems and Jewelry.
So ROE Gems and Jewelry.
Statement Afghani.
Okay.
Then long Afghani.
Long Afghani pieces.
Then we have these fusion collection, silver look like.
Fusion collection, silver lookalike.
We have long, then chokers, statement pieces.
Chokers and statement pieces.
Then these are all statement pieces.
This is all part of her fusion jewelry collection.
This is long, lightweighted.
Very
collection.
lightweight. Okay.
Then this is all fusion collection.
Fusion collection. And
Then
they
we
have
have
options
these
in earrings
earrings.
as well.
Earrings, gadas.
Okay, so earring
Bangles.
options like these, kadas and bangles, કોઈ ચાંદ બાલીસ જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં ઓપ્શન્સ છે, અફઘાની જ્વેલરી જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. હેલો.
Yes, hi, hello, Sauri, the Level by Ami. I'm Ami.
Okay,
Great pot Navratri.
so they have Navratri collection, they have
Yes.
handwork pieces. Okay,
Lots of color.
lots of color options available. Okay,
Yes, and blouse will be customized
blouses are customizable.
by
Okay.
yes, mango.
Okay, and they have some pastel shades as well. Something
Charcoal and
in
purple.
charcoal. Okay,
Hi, my brand name is Ruma Fashion.
so this is Ruma Fashion. Okay, and they have chania cholis, something with patchwork like this. Okay, they have something in rustic orange as well. All right, some menswear collection પણ છે એમની પાસે. They have lots of blouses as well to choose from. Sizes can be customized. Okay, and they have some Indian wear pieces as well.
Hi, this is યંત્રભાઈ શિવાની.
Okay.
મારી પાસે બહુ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે. એમાં લાઈક ઘૂઘરીનું મેં થોડું ડિટેલિંગ જેવું કરેલું છે આમાં.
So they have a full chania cholini range over here. They have lots of color options available with dupattas મળશે.
યસ, અને મુકેશ્વરી વર્કમાં પણ છે મારી પાસે, પ્લસ સિક્વન્સમાં પણ છે વિથ દુપટ્ટા બ્લાઉઝ. પછી લાઈક બાડલા ટાઈપ્સનું પણ છે મારી પાસે.
And let's see a couple of blouses that they have.
Yes.
They have these blouses over here.
એમાં થોડું ડિટેલિંગ આપેલું છે tasselsનું.
Tasselsનું detailing છે. કોઈ કામથી જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં options છે. Okay.
એવી રીતે કાઇન્ડ ઓફ છે.
And they have a couple of dupattas as well. So dupattas માં પણ options તમને જોવા મળશે. Hello, so this is Rag by Jinal. Okay, and they have some beautiful blouses like these over here. Okay, something in mirror work. Okay, let's move on to chania cholis. Okay. So these are all different types of chanias that they have. 12 plus meter nu gher છે એમની પાસે. And they have a lot of color options available, something in bandhej. They have blouses as well. Blouses like these. Okay. And they have dupattas. Okay. All right.